Hey there, travelers. It's Angela, and welcome to our module on Russia. So, we're on week 4, and this module runs from September 19th through the 25th. So, let's go ahead and click and see what we're in for. Thankfully, our modules run and have a very, very similar procedure. What you're going to notice, we always have an overview. So in our overview, it's like the Bible. It's telling you exactly what you need to be doing this week. And this week we're on chapter 3 and we're talking about Russia. Now, usually in world geography, we don't pinpoint a specific country. But this chapter is a little bit unusual since we only cover one country. So, in that sense, feel free to review part A, and Part B study notes are going to be very helpful in learning about the situation in current Russia. There's just a lot going on in this part of the world. It also includes maps, which is really, really important. So, as always, our textbook is an amazing, amazing resource and it's going to help you and really be the roots and the foundation to what we're doing, especially when it comes to Russia. I mean, as it was in the news today, you still have Russia and Ukraine. They have found graves. There are atrocities. There are horrible things going on in that part of the world. And it's important for us to realize what is happening. We also have these case study readings that really give us these real examples and root us in what's actually happening currently. So these case studies are very, very important. Now, when you are going through in your discussion, it's really important to make sure that you reference something that we've been working on this week. So either in our reading or in some of our case studies. So make sure that if I've let you know that you've got an incomplete or some sort of an excused on your discussions, it's because you haven't put a citation or it's not an APA format. Go to scribber.com. It does the work for you. Or also make sure to respond to 3 of your classmates. It's really, really important. So our discussion board this week is on the Crimea. And then as always, we've got our end of chapter quiz. On Sundays, make sure that you respond to at least 3 of your classmates and always know that you can record your discussion posts and your responses. So if we go through this week, you will notice we've got our Part A notes, then we have our Part B notes. These are notes that I take for you guys from our reading, but I encourage you always to do the reading on your own because the textbook has amazing, amazing ways of looking at things. So here is a map, and here's what we're talking about. This is Russia here, and this is Ukraine, and this is Crimea. It is a peninsula, and here it is again. Here is our discussion. So make sure that if you want to receive a grade of complete, make sure that you write down what choice you're choosing, reference the textbooks or other sources, respond to your classmates, and you can always post, as I've said before, in written or spoken format. And then you've got your quiz. So, as always, I hope you're doing really, really well. Never hesitate to reach out to me and let me know how I can support you through this class. I'll talk to you soon.